Subscribe, Stinker Heads. We do upload a video or short every day. Hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give us a video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Yes, sir. Too easy. That's 100 likes. One way or another, we go get there.
So in this video, we're doing something a little bit different, Sneaker Heads. So as you know, the Jordan 2023 holiday release has come out, but we acting like we're like a team. We're gonna pick our players, but the players are gonna be shoes. So the rules are for this video is once I pick the shoe comes off the board. I can't select that shoe anymore. So to start this off, we're gonna play a little game of rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Are you ready, my brother?
Yes, sir. Hey, we like some GM. We some GMs. Hey, for the holidays, right? And they all retro pair. So, hey, like my brother said, rock, paper, scissors. You ready? One.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. You got paper.
Yes,
Paper
sir.
wrapped around rock. So I won. So I'm
Yes,
gonna go first.
Yes, sir.
All right, starting off in the year of the MJ. The year of the MJ.
Hey, 2023. Hey, I heard you. That's right.
I got that
Hey.
#1 draft pick. Starting off with the holiday favorite, the crowd's favorite, I hope. Let us know, sneakerheads. Comment down below whose list you like the best. If your list is a little bit different, let us know. So my #1 coming off the board is the Jordan 11 DMP, aka Gratitude. I'll be gratitude if I get these pairs in my hands because I don't know if these shoes gonna do good or not because a lot of people already have the Concord. So my #1 pick is those Jordan 11 Gratitude. Go ahead, my brother.
Hey, it's all about, come on, where did it start at? Coming off the board. You wouldn't have those if you didn't have these. That's right.
What are these?
Hey, the ones retro satin breed. Come on now.
Yes, sir.
Come on. You wouldn't have what you had if you didn't have what I had. So hey,
So that is
they coming off the board.
So it is a very anticipated pair. As you know, the OGs right now, my size 10 is going for like $3,000. So hey, I ain't mad at
that. Hey, 3 stacks, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so moving on. This is a lot of nice pairs to select from, but I have to stay true to who I am and what I am. So as you know, I'm going with those Jordan 3 off Nor. And as you know, I already just picked up my white cement. So I'm a fan of the 3s. Pretty much this is a reimagined. I'm a reimagine that these are the black cements. So I'm gonna pick up those Jordan 3 as my #2 top pick of the 2023 holiday season draft.
Okay then. Hey, so me coming up next. Hey, I'm just keeping it in order. That Air Jordan 1 reimagined Royal. Hey, check out that. That's coming off the board. If you look at that shoe, that's a clean shoe, fall shoe going into November. So if you remember, my October shoe was those ones coming off the board with satin red. And then my second pair, my November pair, which now you truly getting into the fall. And hey, I tell you all the time, I'm a sneakerhead of style. And that shoe being a November shoe, with some black jeans. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're feeling what I'm saying. So make a long story short, that's my #2 pick. Those ones, Reimage Royal.
Yes, sir. So that is another highly anticipated pair. Keep in mind that these shoes will be suede instead of leather. But hey, I ain't mad at you. So moving on to my #3 pick. Again, I have to stay true to who I am. I'm going with these AKA black and white pandas. Jordan 14.
Right.
AKA pandas, everything black and white. Like I told y'all, I'm calling them pandas, baby. Pandas.
Right.
That's my #3 pick.
And you heard it first from the sneakerhead bros.
Kind of like a theme going on, man. Like my #1, #2, #3, they all black and white. What's up with that?
Hey, I ain't mad at you. But listen, my third pick. Remember, I went with the October. Hey, y'all seen them. November, you seen them. The suede, you seen them, right? 3, my Air Jordan 2s, right? I'm calling those the candy cane, right? December. You got that white, you got that fire red, right? and that cement gray, calling those right there, those Air Jordan 2s. Come on now. You got to follow suit. For the shoes you have, they wouldn't be in place if it weren't for the 1s and the 2s, right? I may even look at the 3s, but right now coming off the board, I call them the candy canes, the Air Jordan 2s. What's your 4th pick, my brother?
All right, so 4th pick. Most people probably ain't gonna be rocking these, but all right. So my number 4 pick will be those Jordan 4 Craft SE Olives. Again, I do have these Jordan 4 Crafts that came out earlier. I'm just trying to complete the set. A lot of people are disappointed at these because they thought they were going to be similar to the Travis Scott 4s. They thought they were going to be all leather, but going to be the same, similar. It's going to have that craft material around the toe box, that leather right here, craft material right here. So, like I said, I already picked up these. I'm just trying to complete the set, so I will be going for these Jordan 4 Olives. That's my number 4 pick. How about you, my brother?
Hey, so before I get into my 4th pick, hey, that toe box, I get what they doing that. Hey, it's a fall shoe. So throw that suede in there because hey, you got to know I'm a fan. It never made sense if I wasn't a fan. So I get it. I get your 4th pick. So my 4th pick gonna be those 13. The wheat, baby. Yeah. Hey, if you don't know, now you know. Yes, sir. If you don't know, now you know. So that make perfect sense for my 4th to be those 13s. Those 13s. Hey, what's your 5th pick, my brother?
All right, so my 5th pick, we got the Air Jordan 5 Georgetowns. As you know, I already picked up these Georgetown 6s. So, yeah, I'm just trying to complete that set and get the whole Georgetown PEs, but without the PE version of them, the cheaper PE version.
Right.
You know, like they came out with these, the PE version, they had Georgetown right here on the tongue. And then those all of a sudden go for $3,000, but it's pretty much the same shoe. Right. You know, when you put your pants over the shoe, ain't nobody see this. If this shoe was worth $3,000, I don't know if I even want to wear it. So I'm gonna just have it on the back rack just for show.
Right.
So, cause as soon as you wear them, it's used now. It ain't gonna be $3,000 no more.
Right.
So, right. Let us know in the comments, big heads, what you think about that.
Right. So you know what? And here's the thing, though. I do not have a 6 in my collection.
Okay.
So I'm on here right now. Drop us a comment down below. Hey, should this sneakerhead bro get the 6s? No matter what it is, I need some 6s, my brother. I'm coming to you.
Sure.
Drop us a comment down below. I got to get my 6s so I can go on and have an unboxing with you guys. And saying all that, my 5th pick is those 6 Aqua. The 6 Aqua. Yes. Yeah, I'm going with them. So find my size, which is size 12, because that's my 5th man. My most important man, though Aqua. I wish I had a shoe, a 6 to show you, but I don't. So in saying all that, I must get that. So that's my 5th pick, those Jordan 6 Aquas. Yes, sir. So I know, listen, that's our starting 5, right? We got to have a 6-man coming off the bench.
So my 6th man is the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. This is the OG pair and very anticipated pair. Most of the OGs want these, so stay tuned for that. Coming out on October 28th. This is the holiday shoe. Retail price is $210. Hey, are you rocking these sneakerheads? You dropping these? Let us know.
Right. So I know that's your 6-man coming off the bench. I'm just finish it up with my 6-man. Those ones, Retro OG, that white Sky J Mauve, right? It's a men's pair is going for asking price for those. And the reason why we mentioned the asking price for those on our 6-man, because they need a 6-man. I need to know what the 6-man doing. You know what I mean? What they bringing to the table. They may not be bringing, the pizzazz, but they are bringing that reasonable price, which those right there, those OGs, men pair 180. Hey, that's my 6-man. Hey, if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you bless,
hey, bless others. Peace.